welcome to Chapter 1, covering the number system. Exercise. Question 1. Which of the following is called the rightmost digit before the fractional point in the binary number? Answer. Option B. LSD. Question 2. What is the another name for base 2 number system? Answer. Option A. Binary number system. Question 3. What are the two symbols used in the binary number system? Answer. Option B. 0 and 1. Question 4. Which of the following is equivalent to the decimal number 345 base 10? Answer. Option A. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 base 2. After repeatedly dividing 345 by 2 and recording the remainder from bottom to top. Question 5. Which of the following is equal to 0 plus 1 in binary addition? Answer. Option B. 1. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. A number system is a systematic way of representing numbers to describe quantities. Tick. The base of decimal number system is 8. Cross. The word binary comes from bi, meaning 2. Tick. The octal number system is used as a shorthand representation of long binary numbers. Tick. The hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits. Tick. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What is number system? Answer. A number system is a systematic way of representing numbers to describe quantities. Question 2. What are the different digits used in the octal number system? Answer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Question 3. How many bits are there in one nibble? Answer. 4 bits. Question 4. What do you mean by base in a number system? Answer. The total number of digits used in a number system is its base. Question 5. What are the rules to convert a decimal number into a binary number? Answer. Repeatedly divide the decimal number until the quotient becomes 1 by 2 and note down the remainders, then write the remainders from bottom to top. Dear students, conversion of 13 is given as an example, and it is not a part of the answer to question 5. Thank you.